In this video, I will show you how to add table in Canva. So it's very easy to do that. So all you have to do is simply open your Canva design and then simply go to elements. Now simply click here to search and then type in table. Then you're gonna have to simply click on see all. Here it says tables, and as you can see you have different templates that you can choose from. So you're gonna have to simply click on it, and as you can see we have it right here. So if you double click on any of these squares, you can simply start typing in, as you can see, like this. So you're gonna have to simply select those squares. Now if you want, you can resize this. So let me resize it like this. So if you want to make it bigger, you can simply click on here on border and change the border types. Here you can choose the spacing, as you can see, cell spacing, table spacing. Then you can increase the text, change the colors. You can change the fonts if you want. So basically that's all you have to do. Now of course, if you want to make it more customizable, you're gonna have to simply play around with the design. So as you can see, we have this one here that we can use, and as you can see, if you want, you can select all these. You can add a row here. You can delete row if you want. You can as you can see, move row down. You can size row to content, so you can play around with the settings here, but overall this is how you can add the table in Canva. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.